Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday and I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. All right. Well, it's all kind of squished into the smallest bag I've ever seen. Let me get it out of its crinkle pack and we'll talk about it. All right, this bag came from FGNormal, and if they have any specials or any discount codes, I'm going to put it right in here. And if I have any, we'll put them there as well. So let's take a look at the picture. And it's just kind of a small little thing, I guess. It is 40 by 80, but I just loved the way it looked. I don't know, it kind of reminds me of Cinderella in a way, but not exactly. Maybe 1800s, late 1800s, not real sure. It was $18.87. It's called Modern Rainy Night Lady. Could it have any longer of a title? And I have no idea who makes this kit. It has 45 colors, guys. Holy cow. And a very, very small picture here, but I think the picture is going to match the canvas. I'm not sure if this is a Yishu or a Hucan or who it is. It does have instructions. You may have to get out your magnifying glass to read them, but they're there. And the product number is right here, the 6054 or 52, sorry. But it doesn't say how many stitches, so it's about, we're going to call it close to 150 by 320. But it's nice and long and skinny. Let me see if I can even see those colors. Give me a sec here. I don't want to bend the picture any more than I have to. All right. We have 310 black, 498 red, no 550 purple. We have 814 and 815. They're both brick red colors. We have 823, no 939, no 3371, and no 3865. Okay. But yeah, I can't, this is pretty micro. Oh, it's clear. There's no smudging or no smearing, but dang, minute. But it looks like it might have a little bit of confetti in it. Not gonna lie, but it does have some big areas. But we'll see that better, you know, in the canvas itself. So let's just set this aside. We do have the colors. Oh, well, okay. We're gonna do this now. So, product number is 6052, 6052, and 6052. So that all matches. Let's move the canvas aside for a second. And did I tell you it was 11 count? I hope so. Oh, sorry. Committed now. Look at that teal color. Oh my goodness. It's only drawback on top of the canvas being small is that it's all on these little silly thread tabs. Okay, let me shaking it out here. Beautiful colors. Lots of teals and greens. We even have olive green. Look at that blue. I didn't look at that. Let me look at something. Hold please. Nope. No 996 or 995. Okay. That's those two turquoise colors. So they're more muted than that. On this side we have some brighter colors. Here's your 310 black. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, antique looking colors. Now there is a dark purple, but it is not 550 purple. Let's see what it is. It's right there. That's 154. See if I can pull it out again. It's kind of a dark mulberry. Beautiful. Just beautiful. That's 3770. I'm sure of it. Yep. So that's your butter color. Just beautiful, stunning, stunning colors. 498 red. Just gorgeous. Gorgeous! I'm trying to get it all together, so hang on. Let me pull it together and put it back in its bag. Hold, please. All right, I am back. This canvas is serged all the way around. Very nicely printed. It's about 4 times the size of that paper pattern, but very easy to see symbols. Like I said, there's going to be places that have a lot of confetti and some that don't. I'm just going to unfold it as we go. Nice key. Very easy to see symbols. They use a nice lightweight thread so it doesn't interfere too badly with the numbers that you're looking for on the thread tabs. And the paper pattern will match the canvas. But very nicely done. You have a nice big area up here, but there are some other symbols scattered within it. So it's not just one great big huge flat space. Of course, it's dark. Oh, it's the tire wheel right here, and then whatever she's sitting on. Looks like a coach for some reason. That's what it kind of reminds me of. But very nice. Very nice indeed. Long and skinny. I'll give it that much. Let's see if we can measure this puppy. So it's supposed to be 40 by 80. And it is 78 centimeters or 30 3/4 inches by, get it where it needs to be. Where is the edge of the canvas? 38.5 centimeters or 15.5 inches. Actual picture size is 13 1/4 inches or almost 34 centimeters by 73 centimeters or 28 3/4 inches. So yeah, I think it'll be a nice one to work on. It's nice and lightweight. Great canvas, great printing, and it's not real big. It's perfect for lap size. You don't have to feel like you've got like 4 yards of material laying in your lap. And let's see the crunch factor over here. So it crunches down very nicely. It's a little stiff, but I think it'll get out of it. It doesn't spring back. It's not thick. So very nice. Very nice. We will have to start that one today. You know we will. Gorgeous colors, though. Love it. Let me set that up there. Now, thank you, FGNormal, for that beautiful, beautiful canvas. I love that picture. I think it's good. And they always have a great selection. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. And they have tools and crafts for all of that. Sorry, I've been out in the wind. They also have wool felt, if I could just say that word, wool felt, scrapbooking, paper quilling, wax sealing, and they also have stencils as well. So they have custom and diamond painting, paint by number only. Now that might have changed, but so far that's all I know. Now do check them out, and they are having big sales now because of spring. So go take a look if you see something you like. I'm not sure if I have a discount code or not, but they have great discounts on Spring Company and do-it-yourself, like the diamond painting crafts, and sometimes they have, what do you call them? The embroidery type crafts as well. So they are like 25% off, which is totally unheard of in this day and age. So do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.